Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem with server 400 error on YouTube. Now this is a screenshot of the error that I have experienced, guys, and I'm going to walk you through the steps that I've taken to solve this issue. So let me go ahead and show you in my phone. So what you want to do, if you're experiencing that error, whether you're on a Samsung, whether you're on an Android or you're on an iOS device, it doesn't really matter. The steps are pretty much the same. So what you want to do is just simply go to your settings on your phone, and you want to scroll down and look for apps. So tap on apps, and from here you want to look for the Google services. So scroll down to where you'll find Google Play services, and you want to open up the Google Play services. Depending on the phone that you have, you might see Google Play services or Google Play services for AR. Choose whichever. But if you have the Google Play services, this is the one that you want to choose. Open that. Now from here, guys, you want to scroll down and look for storage. Now once you're in storage, guys, you will see a bunch of different data that has been taken up here. So you can see the app data, regular data, cache, and total amount used. What you want to do is just simply go ahead and clear your cache, and you also want to go ahead and clear data at the bottom. Once you click on clear data at the bottom, you will see it says clear all data. You want to go ahead and click on clear all data. Keep in mind that once you click and clear all data at the bottom, you will lose all of that data. But it doesn't really matter. It will definitely fix the issue for you. So this button here at the bottom where it says clear all data, you want to go ahead and tap on that and clear all data. Afterwards, once you do that, all you have to do is just go ahead and find the YouTube application and open that, and it will start to work for you. Keep in mind, once you do that, guys, you might want to go ahead and update the YouTube app. So you want to go to your Play Store afterwards, and what you want to do once you're inside the Play Store, just go ahead and search for YouTube. You will find the YouTube application, and from here you want to check to see if it's fully updated. If not, go ahead and update the YouTube app, and that should literally fix the problem for you. If it's required for you to sign in back into YouTube application, go ahead and do so. But this approach works for me, and it will definitely, and I hope it will definitely works for you and help you to fix the issue. If it does, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and if not, let me know in the comments so that I can also try to find ways how to help you as well. But that it works for me, guys, and I really hope it works for you. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.